How to fix Facebook app not working on iPhone. So in this tutorial I'm going to tell you that how you can fix the error of Facebook app not opening on iPhone. So for that, first of all, you'll have to go to your app store and search for the Facebook app and check for the correct Facebook app, and here you have to see if you have any pending updates. Like right now I do have any pending update. If you do have any pending update, just click on that and update the Facebook app, and after that go and try opening your Facebook app and your problem will be fixed. But if your problem does not get fixed, then all you have to do is go to your settings, scroll down till you find general, and in general scroll down and click on shutdown. In other words, you need to restart your iPhone, and when you restart your 5 to 10 seconds, and after that try opening your Facebook app and your problem will be solved. If not, move to the step number 3. Go back and make sure that your iOS is updated and with the latest update. If it is not updated to the latest update, it does show the problem of a Facebook app not opening. So make sure your iOS is updated, and even if your iOS is updated but the problem is still showing, then I have a solution number 4. You have to check your location update. So search for privacy option, and here you have to click on this location services. So here, if your location services toggle button is on, it off, and after that go and check your Facebook app if it is running well. If not, then you have to move on the step number 5. That is that you need to have a strong internet connection. Make sure that you have a very fast and strong internet connection. Your signals are not weak, and if you have switched to a fast Wi-Fi network, and still if the Facebook app is showing the Facebook app not responding error, then you have to go and check your VPN connection. To check your VPN connection, click on general and scroll down till you find the VPN and device management. Here, if you have any that off, or if you have any VPN installed in your phone, try turning that on and then load the Facebook, because sometimes the error is due to the server or the location or the IP address Facebook on after that, but is still there. Then go to general in your settings and search for this transfer or reset iPhone. After clicking on that, click on this reset, and then after that click on reset settings. Once your settings are resetted, you'll see that the issue is fixed. But if it does still not get fixed, then go to support.apple.com and report there, or you can either go to nearest iPhone store to authorize with dealer. So after that, hopefully your Facebook issue will be resolved. So that was how you can fix Facebook app not responding on iPhone. If you have any questions, comment down, and if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.